Speaking of websites here, we're talking about 9gag. Here's a post on 9gag. Russian man chains himself to McDonald's in attempt to prevent it from closing down.
Oh my god.
He's an artist, a Russian artist,
Hmm.
and you can kind of see he chains himself to the door.
What does it say on his
Says he's
shirt?
handcuffed.
Yeah.
Handcuffed himself to the entrance of McDonald's. His shirt says something as well about Luka
It's
Safronov.
I think
That's his name.
That's
Yeah.
his name.
Son of the artist Nikas Safronov. And he's talking, presumably in Russian. This is outside Pushkin Square in Moscow.
А у вас 270?
Повод для печали. У меня больше 270. Весы не показывают больше. Но это не повод для печали.
Да нет, ну, я не...
I feel the need for those that are just listening. This is a large person. This is quite a blockade at the front door for those coming and going. But it also, interestingly, it seems that people are coming and going. So
I didn't see.
so he's handcuffed, but it seems like people are still getting their McDonald's. Or why are they going in and out? Or
It's still open, but they're going to close it. Prevent it from closing down.
got you. So the McDonald's is still going at the moment. But he's not doing it as a kind of art symbol. Okay, here's what he
Doesn't
says. They have no right to close. Wow. Oh, actually, you know what? They weren't one of the ones that was kicked out. That was their own agenda. They said
They left.
would still pay employees, but they couldn't be collecting revenue while things were going on in Ukraine. What else does he say? We need translations. Hopefully this thread can provide it for us here. And where will you eat if McDonald's, here's a translation, if McDonald's doesn't open, I'll find a place to eat, but I'll feel miserable.
Whoa.
They will open in a month and a half. Oh, the cops are there now, but under a different name. They have no right to close. The fact that they will close is in fact hostility, an act of violence against me and my fellow citizens. Whoa.
I guess he gets escorted away.
Yeah, well, there's a bunch of cops there, and you can see that the one is unlocking or clipping off whatever his chain or handcuff. Hungry customers can be seen walking past Luka as they come and go from the McDonald's prior to closing. Wow, you see what I'm saying though? Like, and by the way, that's not everybody. Some people will go on just fine without the McDonald's. Oh, is it a meme now? It's a meme now. It's a meme now.
Of course. The internet does its thing.
It's a meme now. Somebody says he could use a break from McDonald's.
Yeah. I mean, if you're a big fan of McDonald's and maybe you eat it specifically, like all the time.
Exclusively.
Sorry.
You're talking about, what was that documentary? Super Size Me.
Super Size Me.
He
Yeah.
actually ate it.
Religiously. Yeah. It was
Yeah.
breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
He wasn't
Sure,
allowed
yeah.
to eat anything else.
Yeah, you would be upset. Imagine just going to any restaurant like every day or something,
The habit of it.
and
Well,
it
what the
closes
police
down.
says.
And you can't go to other restaurants.
Where he's like,
Well, you can go to other restaurants.
I mean, other McDonald's because they're all
right.
left.
Right.
So-
And who's saying they will open again in a month and a half, but under a different name? Did the cops
police.
say that to him?
I think so.
That's
Just to
crazy.
make him feel
So-
better?
So they have like the Putin line to feed back
To calm the...
any upset citizens. They go there and they say, no, it's gonna reopen in a month and a half. It'll be called McPutin.
yeah, whatever it may be
Mc-
called.
McPoot.
McPutins. I don't think it's gonna be called that.
I don't think so either. McPutins?
Well, what are they gonna call it?
I don't know, but not that.
What are they
They
gonna?
can cross that one off the list.
What are they gonna? Mo, what are they gonna call it?
No, I don't know.
Mo, what are they going to call it?
You're gonna keep asking me until I say something.
Well, I gave a suggestion.
But guess what? I'm not gonna say anything.
Right there, Mo's like, I can move my mic
Yeah,
closer to
look
my
at this.
face as well. You're not the only one who has a fancy microphone contraption. What are some of the suggestions here? McRussia. Just go right for it, McRussia.
Big Russia.
McBurger. It's true. It could be some kind of translation. We really have no idea, even if that is going to happen. I know the threat has been out there. Very strange circumstances in the world right now.